In today's video, I'm going to explain how you can turn articles into videos and make several $100s every single day, as you can see this person has done here. I'll show you how you can take an article like this one that's about 12 tips for overcoming shyness and convert it into a video like this. And you can see here that this video has 4.7 million views. So this YouTube channel here has about 2 million subscribers. All of their videos are very simple and they only upload about 2 videos a week, each lasting about 6 to 8 minutes long. If we take a look at their stats on socialblade.com, we can see that on a daily basis, they are getting about 100,000 views every day and are earning up to $300 or $400 a day in ad revenue, more or less. They are probably monetizing their videos with affiliate marketing as well, but you can see that this channel is making around $10,000 a month just in ad revenue. So the most difficult part for anyone when it comes to starting a YouTube channel is actually creating the videos. It takes a lot of time and energy, but if you are able to just produce a bunch of videos to post on YouTube, you can quickly and easily become successful and gain a bunch of views and subscribers. So one of the best and easiest ways to create videos like these is to convert articles into videos, which you can then post onto YouTube. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in today's video. So step 1 is to go onto this website called invideo.io. You'll then want to click up here where it says sign up to create your own free account. When you do that, this pop-up will appear where you can sign up through either Google, Facebook, or any other email you'd like. I'm just going to sign up with Google as that is the easiest for me. After you've logged in, this is what the main screen should look like for you. You'll then want to click on this option right here that says text to video. After you click that, it'll say right here that you can convert your scripts into engaging videos. And you want to make sure that you have the landscape aspect ratio selected here because this is the same ratio or format that YouTube requires. And you can see here that there are dozens of video templates that you can choose from. You can browse through all these and choose any one that you'd like. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. As an example, I'll just choose this one right here. When I click this, it will provide a video preview of what it will look like. So if you decide to go with this, you can just click this button that says Use Template. You will then be redirected to this page where you'll have 3 different options. Option 1 is where you can add your script here. Option 2 is where you can add your URL. And option 3 is where you can add your media files. So with this second option, you can paste the URL of any article that you choose and then import the script for the video into InVideo. So in order to do that, you'll need to find an article on Google of your choosing. I'm going to choose How to Overcome Shyness, so I'll just Google that right here. I'll just choose this article right here, 12 Tips for Overcoming Shyness. Okay, so this article is great because it has headlines and different sections that talk about how to overcome shyness. So after you selected your article, you can then just copy the URL here and then paste it right here on option 2 in InVideo. Something very important that I'd like to mention is that you do not want to copy every single part of this article word for word, as that would be plagiarism. So if you just copied and pasted this entire article, that would be stealing. So what I'm about to do is show you how you can repurpose this content and change the wording to legally make it your own. So you will just paste the URL link right here and then click Fetch. What InVideo is going to do is it will analyze this article and then pre-populate the script for your video. After your article has been fetched, you can then click this button that says Auto Summarize. This will summarize the article that you just pasted in a particular format that will work well for your video. So it will basically just summarize each section of your article and categorize them by scenes, as you can see here. So now we need to reword each of these scenes to not plagiarize and make it your own. So to begin, we can reword the header by changing it to this. So now for the rest of these scenes, you can either change them yourself by rewriting them in your own words, or you can use this free software that will reword this automatically for you. This software is called quillbot.com. All you need to do is paste any text right here and then click paraphrase, and it'll completely reword that text for you into new original words. So I'll just copy the text from the first scene and then paste it here and click paraphrase. So you can see the difference between these two texts. Quillbot completely rewrote it for us in a matter of seconds. So we can just copy this and then paste it back into scene 1. So you just want to repeat this process for every single one of these scenes so you have completely rewritten text so you won't get plagiarized. Once you've changed the text for every single scene, you can then click this button that says Go to Storyboard. What this will do is create a storyboard for you where you will then edit the layout of your video. So as you can see here, InVideo has produced a rough draft of your video with each of the scenes included. You can click play right here for each of these scenes to see a little preview of them. So now what we can do is edit each of these scenes accordingly. So right here in the search bar, you can search any keyword and a bunch of related stock photos and videos will appear. So if I just search shyness or shy, you can see all these shyness related videos and photos here. So I can just drag and drop any of these I'd like into my scenes. And then you can trim the video to fit your scene by clicking right here. And then click right here, and now you can see we have our shyness related video with our first scene's overlaid text. And you can get rid of some text if it's too long like this to make it look more readable and presentable. If you'd like to change the music for your video as well, you can click right here and change that right here. If you choose to not have any music at all, you can do that as well. So now we're done with scene 1. We can then continue on and do the same for the rest of the scenes. So you'll notice here that there's an option to remove the watermark because some of these videos will include a watermark. You can remove this watermark if you decide to upgrade, but you don't have to. So after you've finished creating your video, you can then click this button that says download and share so you can download it straight to your computer. So just click right here and then click here to download it. Now that you have your video downloaded, you can upload it to your YouTube channel. And when creating a YouTube channel, you want to make sure you pick one niche to focus on. Another important factor is posting consistently. You don't have to post very often. You could post 1 to 2 times a week. So if you'd like to have a much better understanding on how to do this quickly and effectively so you can make as much money as possible with this method, check the link in the video description below. It is my best recommendation for this money-making strategy. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.